Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to speed up your PC, your computer, your Windows 10 operating system if you have installed Windows 10 in your computer and you are worrying about how to speed up your Windows 10 because Windows 10 is giving you lot of lags, lot of slower performances and you are fed up with these things. So let us start by few simple steps where you can solve all your problems of Windows 10 and run your PC smoother. Here comes the first step. So first of all, you need to go to the settings. Under settings, you need to open settings here. So once you open settings, you will find the option called, so many options will be there here called privacy. Click on privacy. So once you click on privacy, you will be finding here at the left hand corner with the general speech. So many options will be there. So first, so let us general, you will be having here the let apps use advertising ID to make ads more interesting so just switch off this one, put it off. Let websites locally relevant, this also put it off. Let Windows track launches to improve start and this also put it off. If you don't require it, I suggest you to put it off unless if you don't require it. Show me your suggested content in the settings app, just this also put it off, all of you. So this could be the first step here. With the next you can go to location here. So under this location also click on change and click on location off here. As you can see here, I have off this location also because I don't require my PC to be located to access a location. So unless it's not required, just put it off. So next you'll be having microphone here. So as per your requirement, just switch off this microphone also. You can off this microphone. So as I will be requiring microphone for my Gmails and other things here, so I would put it on here for some time, but if I don't require it, you can put it off, all of you. And next you will be having here some more options here. Whichever you don't require it, I would suggest you to put it off here. Like Microsoft Edge is not required here for the microphone here for me. So Gmail and all would require microphone or Skype also if unless it is required. Otherwise put it off here. Next you'll be having voice activation. So this voice activation also you can put it off here. It's not required, voice activations. So next you'll be having notifications. So notifications also you can put it off already. It's already off here. Next you'll be having here, go to contacts. So here also in contacts also you'll be having here option as change. Click on change. Contact access for this device is not required, so you can put it off this option also as well. So if you require any of these options to put it on, but I suggest you just put it off to reduce your access of RAM, hugely access. So next you can go to the calendar. So you can change this calendar also by putting it off, this option also too. So here if you require any of that, I would suggest you to on it, otherwise put it off. So next you'll be having phone calls. Just you can locate these phone calls also to make it off here. So if you are not accessing this device for phone call, if you are requiring to access it for phone calls, you can put it on, otherwise not required to put it on this one as well. So next you'll be having here call history, email, task, messaging and other options are being there here. Background apps, so this background apps also can be put it off here. So this background apps will be required to put it off. So because these apps will be automatically running in your computer, in your PC without you notifying it. So see, Windows 10 had come up with a lot of advantages, I would agree with that, but it has few disadvantages to make your PC slower unless you don't have good RAM process. So but if you have a good RAM also, it depends on how many background apps are running. So just I would suggest you to put it off this background app also. Next will be app diagnostic. So just go to app diagnostic, access and click this off also if it is not required. So I would suggest you first of all read this sentence. If you feel it is required to you, just put it on, but this will be suggestible to put it off, so to make your PC better. So don't worry if you have accidentally put it on or put it off accidentally with any of the steps here which I am showing you. You can again go to the same process and you can again switch it on here. Okay everyone. So the next step here, the step number 2 goes is go to system now, click on system, and now here you'll be having notification and actions here. Just click on get notification from apps, other senders. So you can put it on or off here, just put it off here, and otherwise you can manually customize it by unchecking this box here. You can see I have unchecked this box and allow notification to play sound. Just allow this one to put it on, and other things you can put it off here. You would suggest it. Get tips and tricks also not required, just put this also off here. So and these things also, these apps which are being running here to get notifications also can be clicked off here. So this also would suggest you to put it off unless you don't require it. If you require it, you can just put it on again. So no need to worry about any of the steps which you are not if you have accidentally done it and you are worrying about it, so you can go it again and you can switch it on again. Okay, all of you, in this way. So next one, all of you, coming to here is, now next step number 3 goes here by disabling the unwanted files here. So how to disable unwanted file? Just close the settings here. So go to run here. So write down run, or Windows R is the shortcut here to open the run file. So open your run dialog box here and write down temp, which would delete the temporary files. See here, these temporary files are generated by few of the apps one time only, and after that they don't require it. So you can just press Ctrl A, select it and click delete, and you can delete these unwanted apps files also. Okay, all of you. So if you find this kind of option, just skip this one. Otherwise they would not take much more space in your file. So just you can close this one also. Next you can go for the next step here. Write down %temp % and hit enter. Now you can select this also, and you can delete the apps or the files which are not required in this way. So this is the next step which I would recommend you for deleting the unwanted files or unnecessary files which will be generated here in your PC. Moving on to the next step here, all of you, go to this PC, click here, open this PC here and go to the drive where your software Windows 10 is being installed. It can be your C drive, D drive, E drive or F drive. So just go to that drive, click on properties, open this one and go to disk cleanup. So when you click on disk cleanup here, so you will be finding here, you will see here that the system is cleaning up the unwanted files or unnecessary things here. So now you can you will be getting this kind of options here. Just you can delete the unrequired things here, like thumbnails, temporary files, recycle bins. See here, automatically they have checked it instead of doing it manually, and click on OK. Clean up setup files also can do this option, and click on clean setup file, system files, and just click OK. Once you are done with this process, so this would clean up your disk of C drive where you have installed your Windows 10. I would suggest you can do with all the drives which you have partitioned it in your hard disk by just cleaning up your drives, disk cleanup. This same process which I have been showing you now. So now when this is done here, so you can see here, all of you, it is cleaning up here. It would take some time, so you can wait for making this process complete. Let me make it faster by forwarding it. Okay, so this is taking few more time here. Yeah, done here. So click on OK here. So this had done this. Delete all the files, permanent files here. Click on OK. Fine. So when this is done here, so this is also taking some time to clean up your drive with all the unwanted things here. You can see the process be going on. Yeah, now it is done here. You can click on OK and close this dialog box. Now the next step goes here. Go to this PC, click on properties. Click on properties. Now here you will be finding advanced system settings option here. Click on advanced system. You will be getting as option here as settings here. Now in this here, let Windows choose what's best for my computer. Adjust for the best appearance, adjust for the best performance. So click on adjust for best performance here. Now here you will be finding it all the boxes been unchecked here. Whichever you require, only just check it away. Otherwise it's not required to check here, so that your PC would be working very fine and faster. So I would suggest you to go with just one of the options like show shadows under mouse pointer. One or two options if you require, like smooth edges, screen font to make it a smooth edges for the screen here. So this would be just one or two options, and click OK. So done here, all of you. So you can click OK here and close this also. So the next step here goes here is in here. So whichever the files which you deleted from your desktop or any of the drive or wherever you have deleted it, it will be stored in recycle bin, as you all know this one. So you need to go once in a week and select all the files and click on delete. So this will delete all the files from the recycle bin also, so that it will not store much of the data or much of the memory on your computer or PC. Okay, so if this is done here, so these are some of the steps here which I would recommend you to go. These are safe steps various steps have been recommended to you, and I have tested it and I have done it on my PC. It's working very fine. After following these steps, you can go and restart your computer now. Now the time is to restart your computer now. Once you restart your computer, it will show you the fresh settings which you have done now. And the last bonus tip which I would say you, that if these all options are not working, these all steps are not working for you, the only thing I would suggest you to go and simply restart your computer. Let us say that your system is very slow and it had gone hanged up. You just restart your computer instead of shutting off also. Don't shut off the computer, no, don't shut down the computer. Just restart the computer by CPU restart button or by your Windows PC. From there also you can go and restart it. This after restarting, the files will be starting up freshly, and it will increase your performance of your computer much better. You can also go to Task Manager and end up the tasks or the programs which are running in the startups as shown on the screen. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and like and comment the video. Thank you all of you. Thank you for watching.